Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start with a question and I want you to reflect on it and let me know if it sounds familiar. We know what we have to do. Finally start that healthy diet, start that project, or perhaps 10 minutes yoga that help our back pain. But what we do? Nothing. Why? Why we find million excuses to not start something that we know is good for us? I'll tell you why. Because our brain runs a program, an old program, which calls self-sabotage. But today, together, we are going to break this cycle, because when we understand how this old program works, then we'll be able to break it, stop it, and finally start taking action. Here is the deal. Your brain has one job, and that job is to keep you safe. But safe doesn't mean happy. Safe doesn't mean success or progress. Safe means familiar, and familiar means comfort. Let me give you one example. A while ago, I had a serious neck pain. I was suggested to start exercise that could help my neck pain. What do you think I did? Nothing. I sat in front of TV and kept telling myself I will start tomorrow. Because in that moment, being comfortable was much easier than pushing myself through discomfort. My brain was protecting me from something unknown and new. Even that new and unknown was exactly what I needed. Sounds familiar? For some of us, can be procrastinating on a project that we had to start, or perhaps skipping a healthy diet, or even worse, taking care of that tough conversation that we have to have about the subject that it bothers us every day. But it's much more comfortable to sit, nag, think about it, but never take action. If you have to let your brain choose between comfort and change, every single time it will choose comfort. And that's when self-sabotage starts. Everyone talks about the fear of failure. Yes, because our brain looks at a bigger picture, the taking actions. It doesn't break the action in a smaller step. And the big picture means discomfort, unknown zone, the fear of failure. But there is another fear which is even more important that no one talks about, and that's fear of success. Success for our brain means, again, the same thing, unknown. A territory that is completely unknown. Success means another thing, discomfort, more responsibilities, more action, more pressure, more expectation. Your brain loves predictable. So success is an unknown territory. So instead of follow up, you subconsciously sabotage yourself. You miss a deadline. You don't follow up. You avoid opportunities. But there is a hard truth. You don't work based on what you want. Your brain works based on what you think or believe you are. Here's an example. If you think you never can finish something, your brain makes sure that you will not. If you think you're not a morning person, you snooze every single alarm. If you think you can't handle the pressure, your brain makes sure that you will not. Your brain wants to save you from unknown. So instead of acting, your brain makes sure that your action matches what you believe. So now that we know how it works, let's talk about how we can get out of it. Recognize the trigger. Ask yourself, am I choosing comfort over success? Interrupt the pattern. The moment you feel resistance, say, nope, I'm going to take action. Act fast. Don't let your brain to walk you out of it. No excuses, just act. Next time you feel you're procrastinating, count down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stand up. Don't let your brain walk you out of it. No hesitation, no excuses, just go for it. Self-sabotage is not who you are. It's a habit, and every habit can be broken. You don't need motivation. You don't need a perfect plan. All what you need to not let your brain to walk you out of an action that can help you to change your life for better. Let me know in a comment below what action you're going to take today to stop self-sabotaging yourself. Also, check the recommended book that can help you to rewire your brain and understand how self-sabotage works. I'll leave you the link in the description. Until next time, goodbye.